Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum class 2. In maths, today our topic is subtraction, converting tens. Today we will leave page number 46 and 47. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do subtraction with converting tens. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, I am going to do page number 46, question number 2. Help Tiger change ones to complete these sums. I want to subtract 7 from 4, but I need more ones. So I change one 10 into 10 ones. Now there are 14 ones and 3 tens are left. Now I can subtract. So when 7 subtracts from 14, the number comes 7. Now subtract tens. When 2 subtracts from 3, the number comes 1. Now subtract hundreds. So when 1 subtracts from 2, the number comes 1. Now let's do part A of question number 2. This has been done for you. Start with ones. Can you subtract 8 from 3? No, we need more ones. So we have to take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 13 ones and 5 tens are left. Now we can subtract 8 from 13. So when we subtract 8 from 13, the number comes 5. And when 2 subtracts from 5, the number comes 3. Now coming to hundreds, there is nothing to subtract from 3, so here we write 3. Now I am going to do part B. Can 4 subtract from 2? No, we need more ones to subtract 4 from 2. So here we have to take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 12 ones and 7 tens are left. Now we can subtract 4 from 12. So when we subtract 4 from 12, the number comes 8. Now subtract tens. When 5 subtracts from 7, the number comes 2. Now come to hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 2, so here we write 2. Now I am going to do part C. Here we need more ones to subtract 7 from 6. So here we take 110 from tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 16 ones and 8 tens are left. Now we can subtract 7 from 16. So when we subtract 7 from 16, the number comes 9. Now subtract tens. When 3 subtracts from 8, the number comes 5. Now come to hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 2, so here we write 2. Now let's do another question. Here we need more ones to subtract 9 from 1. So we take 110 from tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now there are 11 ones and 7 tens are left. Now we can subtract 9 from 11. So when we subtract 9 from 11, the number comes 2. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 4 from 7, the number comes 3. Now subtract hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 1. So here we write 1. Now I am going to do page number 47. Subtraction converting tens. Let's help Tiger to subtract these numbers. Start with ones. When 1 subtracts from 7, the number comes 6. Now subtract tens. Can I subtract 4 from 2? No, I need more tens to subtract 4 from 2. So I change 100s into 10 tens. Now there are 12 tens and 5 hundreds are left. Now I can subtract. So when 4 subtracts from 12, the number comes 8. Now come to hundreds. When 2 subtracts from 5, the number comes 3. Now I am going to do question number 1 of page number 47. Help Tiger to do these sums. One has been done for you. When 3 subtracts from 8, the number comes 5. Now come to tens. We need more tens to subtract 5 from 3. So here we take 100 from hundreds column and change it into 10 tens. Now there are 13 tens and 4 hundreds are left. Now we can subtract 5 from 13. So when we subtract 5 from 13, the number comes 8. Now come to hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 4. So here we write 4. Now I am going to do part B. When 5 subtracts from 7, the number comes 2. Now come to tens. Can we subtract 6 from 2? No, we need more tens to subtract 6 from 2. So here we take 100 from hundreds column and change it into 10 tens. Now there are 12 tens and 3 hundreds are left. Now we can subtract 6 from 12. So when we subtract 6 from 12, the number comes 6. Now come to hundreds. There are nothing to subtract from 3. So here we write 3. Now I am going to do part C of question 1. When 4 subtracts from 5, the number comes 1. Now come to tens. Can we subtract 5 from 4? No, we need more tens. So we take 100s from hundreds column and change it into 10 tens. Now there are 14 tens and 2 hundreds are left. Now we can subtract 5 from 14. So when we subtract 5 from 14, the number comes 9. Now come to hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 2. So here we write 2. Now let's do another question, which is part D. When 7 subtracts from 9, the number becomes 2. Now come to tens. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No, we need more tens to subtract 5 from 0. So we take 100 from hundreds column and change it into 10 tens. Now subtract 5 from 10. So when you subtract 5 from 10, the number becomes 5. Now come to hundreds. Now there is nothing on hundreds column, so here we write nothing. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 46 and 47 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.